Hi guys, loaded with antioxidants, zinc and calcium. Let's make some very healthy vegan pancakes slathered with some ghee for a very good morning. Use 1 cup of rice. The rice can be of any variety. Then add half a cup of urad dal. This process is kind of very similar to making like an idli or dosa batter. We are going to rinse it about 3 times or until the water runs clear so as to get rid of the excess starch, and then soak it for about 6 to 8 hours. After about 8 hours, the rice and dal would be soft enough for grinding. Grind it with just the right amount of water to make a smooth but thick batter. The batter should be of thick consistency, more like idli or pakoda, but not very thin like dosa. Let's ferment this batter overnight. The next morning, take about 1/4 cup of poha, give it a good rinse and then let it rest for about 5 minutes. Use half a cup of freshly grated coconut. You can also use frozen thawed coconut along with the poha that has been resting. Use a big bunch of dill leaves or shepu bhaji. After chopping, it is 1 cup completely packed. Using about half a cup of water, make a smooth but thick batter again. Mix the dill batter with the fermented batter. Then add some salt to taste and also add jaggery. The jaggery really depends on the amount of sweetness that you prefer. If you're diabetic and do not want to eat jaggery, then in that case I would say that you skip it and make it a thinner batter, something like dosa, so that you can have it with chutney. Heat a griddle with oil. I'm using iron griddle. Once the tawa is hot enough, add about 2 ladles of the prepared batter. These pancakes are soft, a little bit smaller in size and very spongy. We are going to drizzle some oil on it and then cook it covered for about a few minutes or until the surface is dry. Look, there are no wet spots. At this point, we are going to loosen the edges and then flip it and cook it uncovered for about 1 or 2 minutes more. Being rich in zinc, these pancakes are really very good for nursing moms. There you go. A very beautiful green pancake is ready. Serve it hot with a dollop of ghee and some chai. If you like this recipe, please let me know in the comment section. Stay fit, stay happy. Until next time, take care.